Hey guys, I'm Dan De Silva.
And I'm Luke Rance, and we're excited to present this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom family entertainer on a huge 792 square metre block with uninterrupted views across Aspley.
Welcome to 2 Whipbird Place.
This executive home is perfect for larger families who want low maintenance living, with multiple living areas sprawling across upstairs and downstairs, plus a huge entertaining balcony. You'll never be short on space. As you can see, this is a rare opportunity, so I hope to see you at the open home.